It's really quite a miserable day today. It has been grey and raining all day, and all I want for dinner is some nice, lovely soup. So I want to make something quick, as always, something simple but doesn't compromise on the flavor and nutrition. So I'm going to make dal soup, and yeah, it's going to be flavored with lots of onions and carrots, and I'm going to top it with some tender stem broccoli, and I'm going to serve it with some cheesy bread. So let's get cooking. And before I start, can you please go subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I share a new recipe, and don't hesitate to leave a comment and share this with your friends. So first thing is I'm going to chop one onion, couple of celery sticks and a couple of carrots. Just going to peel and chop them up roughly. I'm just going to heat a pan. Nice hot pan. I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of rapeseed oil or olive oil, whatever you like to add. And then all the chopped up vegetables. For 10 minutes on low to medium heat. I'm also going to chop up 3 to 4 garlic cloves and add to the onions. Just going to add the garlic and cook it for 10 minutes with the mixture. Next, I'm going to add 200 ml of boiling water to this. Cover and cook this for 5 minutes, just to soften it up. Oh my God, it hasn't stopped raining all morning. So it's been 5 minutes. Look at that. And that's the only reason for doing it, is to soften the carrots slightly. Now I'm going to add the spices. A teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin, ground cumin, and a good half a teaspoon of black pepper. Just needs a mix. And here for the lentils, I have got 150 grams of red lentils and 150 grams of moong dal. You could use all 300 grams of red lentils if that's what you have at home. But mixing the two gives a really nice combination as well of flavors. Just a nice mix. Next, I'm going to add 3 times the boiling water. So that's 300 grams of lentils. I'm going to add 1.2 liter of boiling water. And all that's left to do is mix it up, put the lid on, and cook this for a good 20 minutes. And I know the lentils will be cooked in 15, but I just want to cook it for a bit longer because it's not a curry we are making a soup. So 20 minutes it is. So it's been 20 minutes. I've turned the heat off. I will add some water, but I'm not going to add it yet. I'm going to use a hand blender and blitz the carrot pieces up. You could do this in a mixer or something, or you could leave the chunks in. I'm going to add in 2 to 300 ml of boiling water. This is completely your choice how what sort of consistency you want from this soup. Yeah, I'm happy with this now because it's not too thick, but it's not completely watery. I want kind of some sort of body do this. The soup is ready and blitz up, and I'm just going to heat a frying pan and cook some tender stem broccoli. So I've just got a whole batch here, and I'm just going to chop it and cook it in some oil. Just a couple of tablespoons of rapeseed oil or sunflower oil. Just a tablespoon of water. Cover and cook this for 5 minutes. And I managed to get some lovely sourdough today. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm going to slice it up for all of us, a couple of slices each. Just gonna grate a bit of cheddar cheese. So I've got here the slices. I'm just gonna put a little bit of butter, and I'm just gonna put it under the grill for literally a few seconds. So I've cooked this for 5 minutes, and I've just increased the heat because I want a little bit of charred bottoms, and I'll do that for 2 minutes now. So once the toast is slightly crispy, that's all I need. I'm going to turn it over and top it with some cheese. And you can put as much cheese as you like. I don't want massive amount. This is enough for me, and that's a bit more. And then it goes back in the oven under the grill for a minute. And I can finish these greens with some salt and some pepper. Can turn the heat off. There is the lovely lentil soup. It's still got a couple of chunks of carrots in there, but that's absolutely fine. And then I'm going to finish it with some of these greens. Oh, gorgeous. Some good quality extra virgin olive oil. And for me, I'm going to finish with some chili oil too, because absolutely, why not? There it is, the delicious, hearty, healthy lentil soup ready in half an hour if you have everything ready on your side. Also, I'm going to serve it with the cheese toast, which I've just prepared, and time to tuck in. Just going to use my chili spoon. Wow, that is beautiful. There's so much going on there, and that's the reason I've chosen those two lentils, because the red lentils flavor and the moong dal flavor is so different, and together they come so nicely. This broccoli on top is just perfect. Wow. This is the food for this season. I really hope you will enjoy it and make it again and again. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll see you back next week, another new recipe. I need to sit down and enjoy this. Oh my gosh, so good.